amount of money to get things in place to help support the reconstruction of the bridge, but that was also through the efforts of the Sierra Gold Parks Foundation, the Nevada County, South Yuba River Citizens League, the Nevada County Regional Chamber of Commerce, private citizens, many of you in this audience, and the SOBs who helped gain attention, support, and raise $6.9 million together to get this project. Yeah. I wish you felt like I do right now. It's really an honor to be with you. Spectra Company started their work here on June 12th of 2019, and their restoration was really, a pretty astonishing job, and I took a quick peek. And one thing that happens over time as we learn, and it was something that I asked the chair of the Save Our Bridge community about, and that was, well, what about fire? And he informed me that this bridge was built with fire retardant included in the construction of this bridge. So this bridge has come into the world that we're in now, a world where fire is a real threat. And it's those kinds of actions, it's that kind of learning that we need to apply to the things that we do in the world, not just to physical structures, but to ourselves and to our communities. It's really profound. Anyway, thank you for all your work, Spectra. Really great job.